Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Welcome everyone. Here we have made micro project of subject consumer electronics. In this micro project we are going to build smoke detector alarm circuit. The micro project is made under the guidance of Professor Poonam Badade ma'am. The group members involved in the making of this micro project are Chinmay Kate, Abhishek Khatagade, Khalid Nadaf and myself Shantanu Fadkale. So returning towards the micro project, first of all we are going to learn what a smoke detector alarm is. A smoke detector is a smoke sensing device that indicates fire. Smoke detectors are very common in homes, offices, schools and industries. Smoke detectors are very useful device as the damage caused by fire accidents is catastrophic. Nowadays, smoke detectors and smoke alarms are very cheap as its usage is increasing and cost of manufacturing is decreasing. In this project, we are implementing a simple smoke detector circuit using simple hardware. Now we'll see brief introduction of smoke sensor. There are two types of smoke detectors, optical or photoelectric smoke detectors and ionization smoke detectors. Optical smoke detectors consist of light source like LED and light detectors like photocell. The photocell conduct as long as light falls on it. When there is smoke, the light from the source is interrupted and the photocell doesn't conduct light. Now, ionization smoke detectors. Ionization smoke detectors consist of two electrodes and an ionization chamber filled with ions. When there is no smoke, the ions move freely and the electrodes conduct normally. In the presence of smoke, the chamber is filled with smoke and interrupts the movement of ions. The electrons do not conduct anymore. Depending on the type of sensor and manufacturer, the conductivity conditions may change, but the idea remains the same. Based on the output of smoke detector, an alarm system can be implemented. The sensor used in this project is MQ2 gas smoke sensor. It is sensitive to LPG, hydrogen, smoke, methane, propane, alcohol, butane, and other industrial combustible gases. This sensor has two electrodes made of aluminum oxide and a heating element made of tin dioxide which act as the main sensing layer. Now, the application of smoke detector alarm circuit. This project will be applicable in different fields such as buses, trains, forest, industries, residential and commercial areas. Now we will see smoke detector alarm circuit. The components required to build the circuit are MQ2 sensor, LM358 operational amplifier, 10K ohm resistor, 330 ohm resistor, a LED, 0.1 UF capacitor and 10K ohm potentiometer. This is circuit diagram of smoke detector alarm. In this circuit, we can see operational amplifier LM358 act as an comparator in the circuit. The inverting terminal of LM358 is connected to potentiometer so that the sensitivity of circuit can be adjusted. The output of LM358 is given to an LED as an indicator, although a buzzer can be added to use as an alarm. In this image, you can see the actual circuit of smoke detector alarm. Now we'll see the working of smoke detector alarm circuit. Smoke detectors are amazing devices as they are small, cheap, yet very useful. In this project, we are implemented a simple smoke detector circuit with adjustable sensitivity. We use a smoke sensor MQ2 as the main sensory device. The working of the circuit is simple and is explained below. LM358 acts as a comparator in this circuit. The inverting terminal of LM358 is connected to pot so that the sensitivity of the circuit can be adjusted. The output of LM358 is given to an LED as an indicator, although a buzzer can be used as an alarm. The non-inverting terminal of LM35 is connected with output of smoke sensor. Initially, when the air is clean, the conductivity between the electrodes is less as the resistance is in the order of 50k ohms. The inverting terminal input of comparator is higher than the non-inverting terminal input. The indicator LED is off. In the event of fire, when the sensor is filled with smoke, the resistance of the sensor falls to 5k ohm and the conductivity between the electrodes increases. This provides a higher input at the non-inverting terminal of comparator than the inverting terminal, and the output of comparator is high. The alarm LED is turned on as an indicator of presence of smoke. This is how smoke detector alarm circuit works.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.